As we proceed, I'd like to welcome the team from Kaplan Group of Companies to make their way to the center stage. With an investment of 925 crores, they'll be creating over 2,400 jobs with their brand new facility in Tiruvallur. Kaplan Point is also establishing Tamil Nadu's very first major integrated biologics and biosimilars R&D and manufacturing facility of this very scale. So truly a matter of excitement and pride for all of us here in the state. Team WFB Baird and Company Private Limited will be joining us next. They'll be investing 100 crores, creating 1,500 jobs. They're globally headquartered in Northern Ireland and their center in Tamil Nadu is going to be set up in Sivagangai. They're a 114-year-old North Irish company. They're establishing premium linen manufacturing in Sivagangai, and that's what they'll be doing here as well. Trivitron Healthcare Private Limited joining us next will be investing a grand total of 200 crores, generating 200 jobs with their brand new facility in Kanchipuram. They're going to be manufacturing molecular diagnostics products with this facility. A round of applause as we extend our heartiest congratulations. Team Phoenix Kothari Footwear Limited making their way to the center of our stage, celebrating 1,000 crore in investment, creating 10,000 jobs in Ramanathapuram. Like the Honorable Minister for Industries mentioned, this is the very first time that we're witnessing such a large-scale employment opportunity in Ramanathapuram. Definitely calls for a loud round of applause. May we also welcome Kothari Industrial IUAD Private Limited to join us. Globally headquartered in Italy, the Institute of Universal Art and Design is going to be investing 50 crores, creating 250 jobs with their brand new facility in Krishnagiri, which is also a first in Tamil Nadu. Ladies and gentlemen, this is India's first Italian industry integrated design university in Hosur. Calls for a round of applause. Team Bitsa India Private Limited will be joining us next, celebrating an investment of 300 crores, creating 100 jobs. They're globally headquartered in Germany and their center in Kanchipuram is the first in Tamil Nadu. They're, as we all know, a leading global manufacturer when it comes to making their first entry into India. I think this is something that we love to celebrate here. Keeping the excitement going, the team from Lighthouse Green Data Center Private Limited will be joining us next. They're going to be investing a whopping 10,000 crore rupees, ladies and gentlemen, creating 400 jobs with their brand new facility in Thoothukudi. This is going to focus on the development of a hybrid hyperscale data center. Team Bao Yan India Shoe Private Limited making their way to the center stage as we commemorate their investment of 240 crores, creating 3,000 jobs. Globally headquartered in Taiwan, their center in Vellore is going to be the very first in Tamil Nadu. They're also establishing the first plant in India with this, where they're bringing Geox and LLB in manufacturing to the country. Welcoming the team from S3V Vascular Technologies Limited to join us on stage, celebrating an investment of 525 crores, creating 500 jobs. Their facility will be set up in Kanchipuram, and yes, it is the very first in Tamil Nadu one more time. S3V Vascular, as we all know, is a pioneer when it comes to cardiovascular and neurovascular device manufacturing in Tamil Nadu. This facility will look at the manufacturing of medical implants. Team Shaili Engineering Plastics, ladies and gentlemen, joining us to celebrate their investment of 500 crores and a generation of 400 jobs across Tamil Nadu with their brand new facility. They're going to be working towards the manufacturing of components for consumer electronics. Please keep the applause going as we welcome Team Autoliv Inflators India Private Limited. Their investment is going to be 616 crores, creating 220 jobs. They're globally headquartered in Sweden. Their facility in Tamil Nadu will be in Tiruvannamalai, and they will primarily be manufacturing airbags in this facility. Joining us next is the team from SKM Egg Products, Export India Limited. They'll be investing 750 crores, creating 500 jobs in Erode and Karur. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a space that will focus on the establishment of environment-controlled poultry farms and manufacturing of egg value-added products. Welcoming the team from Pallava Group to join us next. Team Pallava Group, ladies and gentlemen, celebrating their investment of 1,000 crore rupees, creating 1,100 jobs. They have their facility being set up in Virudhunagar that will be focusing on the manufacturing of man-made fibers. May we kindly welcome Sulochana Cotton Spinning Mills Private Limited. Their investment will be a total of 500 crores. They will also be generating 3,500 jobs in the Pudukkottai Tirupur space. Manufacturing of recycled man-made fibers will be their prime focus. HL Mando Anand India Private Limited, ladies and gentlemen, globally headquartered in Korea, will be investing a total of 310 crores, creating 280 jobs within the Kanchipuram district. They'll be primarily focusing on automotive components. HL Climove India Private Limited, joining us next for a formal exchange of the MOU, will be investing 205 crores, creating 210 jobs. They're headquartered globally in Korea as well. Their facility in Tamil Nadu, that's going to be in Kanchipuram, will be looking at the manufacturing of automotive electronics. Team MAS India Clothing Private Limited, joining us next, will be investing a total of 880 crores, creating 7,000 jobs across multiple districts. They are globally headquartered in Sri Lanka, and their centers in Tamil Nadu will look at manufacturing of advanced apparel, textiles, and wearable technology. Next on stage, we invite the team from In the interest of time, if we may kindly request you to put your hands together as we welcome the team from GWC Data AI, ladies and gentlemen, who will be creating 1,005 jobs in the Krishnagiri district. Their focus is going to be on AI systems integration and solutions delivery. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at the Vetri Tamil Nadu Investment Conclave 2026, witnessing the formal exchange of MOUs that are truly setting us on the path towards an incredible road ahead, ladies and gentlemen. Nextra Data Limited investing 1,417 crore rupees, generating 1,244 jobs. They've got a new unit coming up in Trichy. They're also going to be expanding their unit in Chennai with the development of hybrid hyperscale and edge data centers. A wonderful reminder of the confidence that they have shown within the state. Scalene Live Protect Private Limited, next on stage, will be investing 750 crores, creating 2,450 jobs across multiple districts in Tamil Nadu. They're going to be manufacturing of biogas. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, as we welcome the team from Green Signal Biopharma Private Limited. They'll be investing 130 crores, creating 120 jobs with their center in Tiruvallur. Manufacturing of vaccines will be their primary focus. Team LG Equipments Limited, joining us next, will be investing 325 crores with 420 jobs being generated in the Coimbatore region, where their facility will be set up. Manufacturing of compressors and automotive garage equipment will be their focus. As we extend our congratulations, if we may welcome the team from Polyhose Group to join us next. 1,010 crores being invested, 1,500 jobs being created across districts in Tamil Nadu. They'll be looking at the manufacturing of hoses, tubing and rubber products. Joining us next is the team from Gen Robotic Innovations Private Limited. 150 crores being invested, 1,000 jobs being created in the state of Tamil Nadu. Gen Robotics is an Indian startup, ladies and gentlemen, that's developed the world's first robotic scavenger, and they're scaling in Tamil Nadu with the manufacturing of robotic equipment for sanitation technology, medical and mobility applications, and defense. Welcoming the team from Ascendas First Space Development Management Private Limited next, who are going to be setting up an industrial park. We extend our heartiest congratulations to the team at Gen Robotics. Congratulations to the team at Gen Robotics. Ascendas First Space Development Management Private Limited, ladies and gentlemen, will be setting up an industrial park with an incredible investment of 1,000 crores, also creating 1,000 jobs, globally headquartered in Singapore. They're going to be setting up their facility in Tiruvallur. Cell Bios Healthcare and Life Sciences Private Limited will be investing 150 crores, creating 250 jobs. They have centers coming up in Dindigul and Krishnagiri that will be focusing on the cell and gene therapy products manufacturing. RB Wovens Private Limited will be investing 675 crores, generating 3,500 jobs in Virudhunagar, where their facility will be set up. Their primary focus will be manufacturing of home textiles. Trusted Aerospace Engineering Private Limited will be investing 1,000 crores, creating 3,000 jobs, ladies and gentlemen. Their existing unit in Kanchipuram will be expanded. Alongside that, they're also setting up a new unit in Vellore, manufacturing of high-precision aerospace, semiconductor and medical device components. Team Wu Young Automotive India Private Limited will be on stage next. They're globally headquartered in Korea. They'll be investing 160 crores, creating 250 jobs. Their center in Tamil Nadu will be set up in Tiruvallur, and it is the very first in the state.